Summer's here, and while we love the sunshine, your violin not so much. Hot weather can cause the wood to expand, the glue to soften and your strings to stretch, which means tuning nightmares or even damage to your instrument. And today I will show you how you keep your violin safe and sounding great in the heat. And the first rule is never ever leave your violin in direct sunlight, not even for a few minutes. Wood and varnish are sensitive to temperature changes, and the heat can warp the instrument or crack the varnish. So always store your instrument in its case in a cool, shaded spot. A parked car in summer can hit over 60 degrees centigrade, which is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, in minutes. That's hot enough to soften the glue joints and cause the seams of your violin to open. My general rule is if a place is too hot for me, it is also too hot for my instrument. And I definitely don't want to spend any time at all in my hot car. So if your violin's in your car and you need to go out, take the violin with you, even if it's a hassle. It is definitely worth it. Hot weather often comes with humidity changes. If it's too dry, the wood can shrink and crack. If it's too humid, the wood can swell and sound less interesting, much more dull. So use a case humidifier or a silica gel pack and aim to keep the humidity around 40 to 60%. A small hygrometer in your case will help you keep track. Heat makes the strings stretch and slip out of tune. Check the tuning more often and be careful not to over tighten your strings. Always loosen your bow hair when you're not playing. Bow hair contracts and expands with temperature changes, so this will protect the stick from warping. If you have to carry your violin in hot weather outside, keep it in an insulated case and avoid long walks in direct sun. And yes, carrying an umbrella for your violin is totally normal. Your violin is like a living, breathing partner in music, and in hot weather, it just needs a little extra care. So keep it cool, control the humidity, and avoid sudden changes in temperature, and that way you'll enjoy beautiful music all summer long.